You want to see a before and after with the Instant Age Rewind Eraser? Here we go. I have color number 150. That's what it looks like. Twists off. And then this here twists too. So that's going to get the concealer in there. Give it a few twists. Dab, dab, nothing yet. Like really crank it to get it started. You'll see it start coming out. Look at that. All right. And then you just apply it everywhere you want. Now I get like red skin in there. I have the dark circles there. I have dark spots there. I don't know. Let's just draw up my whole face. Why not? Okay, so it's significantly lighter than my skin tone. However, I'm going to blend. I'm not going to just show up tiger striping. So it does come out a little lighter than I thought it would. So there's something to think about when you are ordering your color. I use a brush here to blend. So I would say this comes out pretty thick and it wouldn't be your best bet for blending. You could use it, but I would say use like a brush or your finger to really blend it all in. Okay, I may have used a little bit excessive amounts. A little goes a long way on this, but it's gonna look really good when we're done. Trust me on that. And it has long lasting wear too. So this is gonna be all day long. I have an event tonight, so I will have great skin. And this is also great to use as a base before you put on your foundation. It just makes it last longer in my opinion. Okay, so it blended. Now it doesn't look as crazy, right? And now we're just gonna add on top of this my foundation, and then we'll see our finished afterwards. What do you guys think? Pretty good for a before and after, right?